Are you looking to sell your home this summer? Well, while we're still in summer selling season, there's a widening gap that we're seeing between homes that are ready for the market and the ones that very clearly are not. If you want your home to be a winner on the open market this summer, you probably need to make your home as ready and attractive as possible as we get into summer selling season. And it's proven that the more showings you have, the more money you're going to make and the faster your home is going to sell and net you, more importantly, a higher price. That's why today I'm going to share the 3 things you can do to get your house ready for showings this summer. Number 1, let's take care of those minor repairs up front. Right now, buyers' number 1 concern is higher interest rates and affordability. And with higher interest rates, that means more money is going into their monthly payment on a regular basis, which means they have less money that they can put into repairs and updates than they could have a few years ago. This means that taking care of those cosmetic repairs is a really good idea, even in a normal market, but with higher interest rates, that means taking care of those repairs is even more important than ever. Number 2 is you want to do some home staging. And if you think about the ideal model home, if you walk into a new home or you think about homes on HGTV, it's clean, it's standardized, everything has a place, and it's ready for the buyer's things to move in, meaning that all of your personal items of photos and knickknacks and things like that are cleared out of the way. Your goal should be really to get as close to that image as possible because buyers want to walk in and visualize themselves in that home. Your home likely has a lot of personalized touches in it, and mine would too if you walked in. Sometimes it might have really custom odd furniture or family photos or maybe even an off-colored wall. I'd recommend trying to depersonalize as much as possible so that your prospective buyers can put themselves living in your property. And plus, by packing everything away, you're going to make life so much easier once you sell your house and get ready to move where you're headed. Number 3, and this one's always a struggle, I have a kid and a dog myself, is we want to have a plan for children and for pets for showings. So your showings probably won't go smoothly if your dog and your kids are running around all over the house. But instead, you want to work with your agent to schedule showings and blocks of time where you know that your home can be ready for buyers. A pro tip is if you have a big bin you can throw in the trunk of your car and you spend 5 minutes before the showing running around throwing everything in the bin and shove it in the back of the car, that's an easy way to get your house ready quick and easy before those buyers show up. And this way, you and your buyers won't be disrupted. I recommend putting your dogs in kennels or just taking them out with you if you can, or sending them to doggy daycare. And while moving your pets around might be a little bit of work, I promise you, it is so much better than walking through a home with a dog barking at you the entire time you're trying to have buyers visualize themselves in your home to pay you the most amount of money possible. And if you want a detailed plan about how we help our sellers get ready for the home or repairs you might want to consider making before you hit the market to maximize your value, please call or email me. We are happy to share it with you, and we'd love to help you navigate this crazy housing market. Have a great day.